I have got one washing machine to the repair. It is in my workshop. The problem with the error message is showing while I'm starting the machine. Within few minutes, machine showing F6 error. It is actually related with the main motor, wash motor problem. We have to check if it is this is conventional belt drive carbon brush with armature motor. We have to check whether motor is okay or not. First of all, we have to check the motor carbon brushes. If it is unfortunately carbon brushes are gone, at that time it's showing the F6 error. First of all, we have to check the motor. If it is motor and carbon brush both are okay, we have to check next step. We have to check the main control board. Let me check first of all the carbon brush with the motor, and let's see, we will check the motor and carbon brush. First we have to remove the back cover. It's like that. We will remove the back cover, and after that we have to release the belt. We have to be careful because we have a hand, and like this we have to remove the belt. After that we have to remove the two screws from the tub, the first, and also we have to remove the harness assemble from the motor wire connection. We have to release the harness from the motor first. Like that, and remove the harness carefully. After that we have to remove the two screws, two bolts from the drum. Now we have to pull out the motor from the tub. It's a little bit tight, but we will try. Otherwise we have to lay down the machine and lever. Yeah, it's already came. It's easy to take it out, and like this. Then we have to check the brush, carbon brushes, the motor winding, everything we have to check, armature, everything. Let me check. First of all, we have to check the carbon brushes. That brush actually gone, but it's not it is not abnormal, it is normal. It is little bit brush is there, but we will check the other one also. That carbon also gone, but it is not that harmful. It should work. It's mean actually carbon brushes are okay, and the problem with the control board should be, what I'm going to do, I will replace another motor from the same brand, same washing machine. Let's see, check with other motor. If it is as same showing, definitely we have to replace the power control box. Now I got the same brand washing machine from it is working machine. I removed the motor. We have to check the motor. Because of that I'm fixing this one little bit. It's little bit rusty, but it doesn't matter. Motor is working with other machine. I remove from that machine this motor, and let me check. Let's see, check it is working or not properly. If it is as same motor not rotating properly, we have to replace the main control board. Now we can check like that, and we will give the power. I am selecting direct spin. Yeah, it is showing 17 minutes and we will start. Now motor is running as same before with that motor. It's taking high RPM and yeah, it is as same before that motor. It's problem with not problem with from the motor. It's problem with the main control board. We have to remove the main control board and we will check it is okay. Definitely it will be okay. This is this problem with the main control board. So no problem with the both motors are okay. No problem with the motor. Now it's 16 minutes remaining time. It's showing 16 minutes. Now within few minutes it will come again F06. Yes, again it's showing the this one red color. It's showing F6. Again that's mean confirm. It's not problem with the motor or motor carbon brush. It is problem with the control board. Now we have to replace the control board and we have to check again. We will remove the top cover first. After that we have to remove the panel and replace the main control board. We will check whether it's working or not. Now we are going to remove the top cover. First of all we have to remove the power. Disconnect the power line. Here three screws are here. We have to remove these 3 screws. It is coming halangi type, but somebody changed the screws. Now we have to change the control board. If you want to take the harness assemble, you have to take the picture, otherwise no need. But I'm thinking it is good for you because something forgetting after that this will come problem. Because of that, before remove the harness from the PCB control board and we have to take the picture. After that remove all the wires. Now I am having the one control board. It is as same. and we will check it, we will replace it, and after that we can check all the connectors, everything's are as same, no any problem, we can change. From the panel it's like that, it's here lock, don't break, it's like this, we have to take it out, and here one lock, also here one lock, after that it will come. Here also one lock, here also one lock, 4 locks are there, and it's coming easy, same like that. Now we will change that PCB and we will check. And I have to tell one thing, this one should be the off position. Any PCB while you removing, replacing, it should be the off position. It's like that, we have to fix, and this way. And like this we have to fix this one. It's coming like that lock. Now it's okay. We have to check, fix all the harness as same before. This is display harness. This will come here UB14, and it's like that. Here it will come. වෙනවා ෆොටෝ ගන්න එපා බං. We already fixed all the harness connectors to the control board. It's like that. Now we have to give power and check. Hi dear friends, it's working smoothly, no any problem. That's mean we confirm. I can confirm it is problem with the main control board, no any problem with the motor. Now it's remaining time, it's showing 14 minutes. Also high RPM taking the motor. Before it's not like that. Now it's taking high RPM and reducing and increasing. This is the problem. Actually, we thought problem might maybe with the motor or carbon brushes, but now we confirm it's problem with the main control board. Now we have to talk with the customer, and our job is already done. Thanks for watching my channel, and if you learn something from this video, I'm really appreciate. I'm so happy, and we will meet with another video. Thank you very much for the watching my channel.